In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Framer. We'll start inside MailerLite. First, log into your MailerLite account so you can create the sign-up form you want to place on your website. Once you're in, go to the Forms section, then choose Embedded Forms. From there, click Create Form. Give the form a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, and then select the group where you want new subscribers to be added. This is important because it determines how your leads are organized once people start signing up. Next, customize your form. Add the fields you want visitors to fill out, such as name and email. Keep in mind that simpler forms usually convert better, so only include the fields you actually need. After that, update the text, button, and overall design so the form matches the experience you want people to have. When everything looks right, save your changes. Now you'll need the embed code for that form. Open the form's overview or setup area and look for the JavaScript snippet or embed code. MailerLite may provide both a universal tracking snippet and the specific form code for installation on your site. Copy the code you need carefully because this is what you'll place into Framer to display the form. Once that's done, switch over to Framer and log into your account. Open the project or website where you want the MailerLite form to appear. In Framer, go to the Insert panel and search for the Embed component. Drag that Embed component onto your page, then paste the MailerLite form code directly into it. After inserting the code, take a moment to adjust the form on the page. Resize the Embed component so it fits nicely within your layout and move it into the exact spot where you want the sign-up form to appear. It's also a good idea to check that it looks clean and responsive, especially if your visitors will be viewing the site on different screen sizes. Next, preview your Framer website. Click Preview and test the form by entering a test email address, then submit it. This step helps confirm that the form loads properly and that submissions are being sent through as expected. After submitting the test, go back to MailerLite and open the subscribers area. Check that the test subscriber appears there and, just as importantly, that it was added to the correct group. If everything looks good, then your integration is working correctly. Finally, return to Framer and publish your website. Once published, your MailerLite form will be live and ready to collect new subscribers directly from your Framer site.